shop update. The new shop is full. So there's the Barth, the other 131, my 128, the Monte Carlo, another Monte Carlo, my 69 Mustang, the Corrado, the Cougar. So I am done moving my projects over. I still have some stuff I have to do from my other facility, like my toolbox and things like that. But you can see the pallet racking is all installed in the back of the shop here. Actually, I have one more shelf's worth I need to figure out what I'm going to do with, if I'm going to split that or whatever. The lift is in. Moved it from my old shop to here. So yeah, we're getting situated. I mean, really, all these cars are just stuffed in here while I figure out how I'm going to lay things out. I have all like tools and parts and stuff still just laying all over the floor over there. All that stuff has to go basically find a place up on the shelving or up on that like mezzanine up there above the bathroom. And then I'm going to move other things around. So we're getting there. Like I said, I just wanted to point out what's going on while I haven't really been posting new content, and it's because we've been getting all this stuff situated. In the earlier shop update, I showed this nice big empty space, and it's not so empty anymore. So with that, just stay tuned. A bunch of stuff is coming. I have a special project here. This little guy, Fiat 128. Gonna really do some content around this 73 Monte Carlo and a couple other things I got to do to the Corrado and the Subaru, which isn't here right now. But that's it. Stay tuned. If you want to see what's going on and what's going to be happening in this new space, subscribe to this channel and hang on.